Hi friends. Hey, it's day 8 of our remodel chronicle. I'm Sheila Lanier. I work for Homework Remodels and Trail Light Builders. I help people love their homes again through the remodel process. Just a quick update for day 8. We did some painting today. So there were some walls to be painted in a bathroom so that the new vanity could be put in and the toilet could be put back. And then tomorrow they'll start the trim and the interior doors. They got all of the handles on the new doors. I showed you a picture of those yesterday, but now all the handles are in and all the strike plates are on, and so they're in good shape and ready to be disassembled and painted tomorrow. So it'll be a really big day tomorrow, but for today we just had a little bit going on. I'll extend some pictures at the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Be the best you can be.